Hello, it's your Devo Miss wishing you a very good morning. I hope you all are fine during this period of lockdown, isn't it? So, today I am going to teach you a new topic, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Though I have skipped some topic of previous pages that I will explain you later on. A flower is the reproductive colorful part of a plant, and it consists of male and female gamete. The male gamete is pollen and the female gamete is egg or ovum. A flower consists of 4 whorls. Whorls means the structure of the flower which is arranged in a circular form. So the 4 whorls of flower is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. All the 4 whorls are attached to a fleshy part known as thalamus, and this thalamus is attached to a thin green part or stem known as pedicel. So let's begin the part of a flower, because to know the sexual reproduction you must know very clearly the structure of a flower. The outermost whorl of the flower is the calyx. It is generally green in color and it is usually 5 in number. It is leaf-like structure and it is known as sepals. In common language, it is known as sepals. Its function is to protect the flower in bud stage. Next, the second whorl of flower is the petals. Petals are always colorful. They are often large and scented. They produce nectar. Nectar is a juice produced by flower. Petals are also known as corolla. They are always colorful. Sepals are always green, and corolla and petals or corolla are always colorful. Remember that. Next part of the flower or the third whorl consists of male part known as androecium. Androecium consists of 2 parts, anther and filament. Anther is a bilobed structure. Anther is a bilobed structure and it has a thin stalk, tubular stalk. This bilobed structure is known as anther, and the slender stalk is known as filament, and it is known as stamen. So stamen is the male gamete of a flower. This bilobed structure consists of yellowish, very fine powdery material known as pollen. This stamen is biologically known as androecium. So androecium is the male part of a flower. Next is gynoecium. Gynoecium constitute the female reproductive part, or it is the female gamete of a female gamete of a flower or female sex cell. It consists of three parts. Ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is the basal part which is swollen, and it has a slender part known as style, and the uppermost part, which is sticky in nature, is known as stigma. Ovary has ovum inside, and this ovary grows into fruit, and the ovule inside ovary grows into seeds. So this is the female gamete or the female reproductive cell of a flower. So altogether, flower has four whorls, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. In other words, petals, sepals, stamen and ovary. The first two whorls of flower, that is calyx and corolla, do not take part in reproduction, so they are known as accessory whorls, and the inner whorls, that is androecium and gynoecium, are directly concerned with the sexual reproduction, so they are known as the essential whorls of flower. Please see the diagram 2.17 very carefully. You will get to know the actual structure of androecium, gynoecium. You must also follow the diagram, that is 2.16 parts of flower. Now the flower is complete. Flowers are of two types, complete flower and incomplete flower. The flower which have all the four whorls, androecium, gynoecium, if it is present, then the flower is known as complete flower, or it is also known as bisexual flower. Incomplete flower are those which lack either male whorl or the female whorl. Such kind of flowers are also known as unisexual flowers. When the flower contains only main whorl, it is known as staminate. When it consists of only the female whorl, that is when it consists only the gynoecium, it is known as pistillate. I hope till here you all have understood properly, isn't it? This is all about today. Before that, let me tell you, when this male and female gamete fuses with each other, they form the first cell, or they initiate the first single cell known as zygote, and formation of zygote is the initiation of fertilization. So this is all about today. I hope you all have understood it well. Your assignment for today is to draw the diagram of page 28, 2.16 and page 27, 2.17, only gynoecium and androecium. Is that clear? That is all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.